Hi, I'm Lana Thaco with Spartan Controls, and today I'm in the Education Lab to give you an overview of what takes place in the Emerson 1759 DVC Diagnostics Interpretation course. In this course, we discuss the proper procedures to follow for diagnostic data collection, how to prepare your assembly, all the required information in your detailed setup, as well as the proper techniques for running the diagnostics. Once we have completed all of our tests, we will then discuss our findings. We'll go through, in detail, all the information collected from different types of step responses, dynamic scans, as well as the status monitor. From our diagnostics, we will be able to check the status of our valve assembly, how well our tuning is working, the physical integrity of our assembly, if our packing is wearing out, or other common issues. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you soon. Start your education journey today at spartancontrols.com/education.